Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread without vanilla extract. Many recipes call for vanilla, but it's not a make or break ingredient. You can still create incredibly moist and flavorful banana bread by focusing on other key components. We'll explore simple substitutions and adjustments that will ensure your loaf is just as delicious, if not more so, even without that dash of vanilla. To compensate for the absence of vanilla, let's boost other flavors. Spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, about 1/2 teaspoon, add a wonderful warmth. For a richer, more complex sweetness, try swapping some white sugar for 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And don't forget citrus zest. The zest from one orange or lemon can introduce a bright, fresh note that beautifully complements the banana. The quality of your bananas is paramount. Make sure they are very ripe, with plenty of dark spots, as this maximizes their natural sweetness and flavor. You can even increase the amount of mashed banana by 1/4 cup to add extra moisture and a more intense banana taste. For added texture and another layer of flavor, consider folding in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans. Finally, let's talk baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let it cool slightly before slicing for the best texture. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious banana bread, why not make cleaning easier? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.